Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to segment list here in Constant Contact. All right. Segmentation is the act of dividing your contacts into smaller groups or segments based on shared information or common characteristics. Now to start, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contacts. And here we have List and Segments. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here we have a ton of list. Okay. But just go ahead and go to the top right and click on Create New. And here select Segment. Now, hit on Continue. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and add in a criteria. Okay? It could be demographics or whatever you want, or even a simple contact profile. Right here, email activities. All right? Engagement, list membership, and even tags. All right? For example, I'm just going to be using the first criteria, the contact profile, the birthday month. All right. You can go ahead and choose an operator, which is not, is set, is blank. Okay. Maybe I'm going to be using is blank. Now I'm going to add in another criteria, maybe the postal code. Choose operator, is not, maybe is. The details, the postal code, maybe 9516. Now, once done, if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and tap on Save Segment. All right. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, if your specific segment spotted a contact from your contact list, it will be listed in here. And from this segment, you can go ahead and send an email directly to them by going to the top right, click on Send an Email and select this specific email that you wanted to send. All right. And here you have some templates that you can use. Or for example, you're starting to create an email or even the unsaved email that you have in here under marketing channels, email, maybe this one at the top. I'm going to edit it right here. And then I'm going to hit on continue. In here under select recipients, you should be able to see your segment, all right, that actually have a contact in it. Right, just go ahead and tick on it, and once done, just go ahead and hit on send now, and after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.